What's up, YouTube family? How are you guys doing today? So today I am picking up some Scat seats. I do have a buyer for the Scat pack, so hopefully he will buy the car once I change the seats. But let's go ahead and pick the seats up. I will see you guys once I get the seats. Let's go ahead and pick these seats up. And just like that, we are back. Let's see. Show y'all what we picked up. Nothing too crazy, but at least they won't have cuts in them. What I'm going to do is, it looked like he already started taking this apart. I think I'm just going to pull these covers off and just swap them over. Because if I didn't look, he already missing the racks and all that. I'd rather just take this cover off and swap them over to the other seat, and then I'll just go ahead and toss these on. Don't mind this messy toolbox. When I get my shop, this will be more organized. 50 adapter to the impact. Adapter on it. 50. Move this up a little bit more. Be really careful so you don't strip it. I'm good, bro. There's exactly 4 bolts that holds the seat down. A lot of people do use 10s, but that is not the right tool. It's actually, I believe it's called an E12. I'm gonna check this E14, see if it fits. If it doesn't, I need an E12. You can see the E14 did not. Well, it fits, but too much play. So I need a 12. Covers off. This is how the seats look without the cushion. Let's go ahead and swap them on the new seats. Rear seat covers are out. New ones are already in there. I do gotta wipe them down, but they're in there. Now let's go ahead and do this front.
To say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand. Interior for the Scat is in. Now let's go ahead and give it a vacuum. These are the old ones. I should make a couch out of these. Anybody need these? DM me. You could have them. Do something with them.
done. We'll pick you guys up once he gets here.
Clean her up. Get her ready for the next owner. She will be missed.
We're here at the middle spot.
Hey, you want some?
Oh, Byron, y aquí los motores tampoco, ¿sí traen el VIN number también? No. No, pero allá en Honduras sí, ¿va? Pero carro viejo, que aquí arriba ponen allá en Honduras.
You got my text? Oh, your reader, okay. What's up, YouTube? So as you guys can see, it is the next morning. Today we are working on a Lincoln. He's getting suede material. He is doing a star headliner, and he's doing ambient getting interior on the car. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Check this out. This is the truck. He did get stars done by us, but he came back to get them redone. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what it looks like. Go ahead and show you guys. It's kind of hard to see him right now. It is pretty bright outside, but you guys get the point. And he will be doing the ambient stars, well, ambient lights all the way around. So, honestly, if it wasn't for the Hellcat Durangos, I probably would get something like this. The technology in these cars now is crazy. Oh, I won't be taking the headliner out on camera. I have my guys do that, but I will be taking these door panels off. So let's go ahead and get started on that. I need to remove this cover. I believe there's a few 8s under here. There should be another 2 8s behind here, and this door panel should come off. What's up, guys? We got the door panels off. It's actually been a few hours. Taking the dash apart to put the ambient lights.
I'm done.
Headliner is out. I actually just wrapped the suede. Check that out. Let me show you the doors. These are the doors. These are the lights. I did try to put them right here, but it's like a tight fit and it doesn't really want to fit, so that would just have to do. I will pick you guys up when I am finished. You guys can see it's getting really late, but getting the dash put back together. Oh, y'all, suede headliner is done. There, put that on. Sheesh.
Let that shit ride, 88.
car now. Customer is good to pick her up. Check it out, guys. Finally complete. I don't know if my camera can catch the stars. It is pretty dark. These are the ambient lights. Let me know down below what you guys think.